Very good morning class. Today in SS we are going to discuss 13th chapter. As the 13th chapter in the part 1 we discussed about physiography and the area related discussion of India. In the second part and in the previous lecture we also discussed, we came across tectonic plate and then our lecture was over. So the geological feature we will discuss again. Okay, now here is the chapters 13 is quite small for us, so I will go very slow on these two topics. Still, we have one remaining topic. We'll make sure that the third topic will cover after this topic. Let me explain you what is geological structure. Means, you know what? First, we have the geological structure. The structure on which a land, a mountain is generated. Here in India, because of the physiographical changes, India has become like this. We have Himalaya, we are surrounded with oceans, and we have a bay also near Bay of Bengal. So because of these reasons and because of physiographic changes, we came across near or towards the south portion. We are in southern part. That's why it's too much hot in southern part. While in the northern part, that's Russia and European countries, so they are feeling cool because of the hemisphere. They are northern hemisphere, we are in southern hemisphere. So because of these reasons, now we are standing on a land which is also called plates. There are So simple. Let's discuss about plates. Now first of all we will discuss about tectonic plate. Got it? First we will discuss about tectonic plate. Tectonic plate. Here, tectonic plate means what? The earth crust which flows above the water, is called tectonic rock. And we can't say the word water; it's semi-liquid fluids. That's called tectonic plate. Are you getting? Semi-liquid means what? There are some of the portions that are liquid and some are the portions that are solid, or we can say viscous. We can say viscous. So because of that, semi-liquid, and that semi-liquid component of material is a heat. What's that? It is a heat. So because of heat, the tectonic plates gets two part, okay, or one part, so that it can generate its own portion. And these upward currents, see, suppose, let me explain you thoroughly. That suppose the heat is generated due to the radioactive process, and the tectonic plates are generated. So because of that, a land is created. Are you getting? So these upward currents break the upper layers into the large pieces. Yes. Suppose there is a land, there is a heat, and the radioactive particles move upward direction, means vertical against the gravitational force, and that radiations means create a whole part that is called tectonic plates. Got it? It's a very important question for your exam purpose. So prepare it very well. Tectonic. Got it? Now, according to the research, there are seven major tectonic plates. Seven major tectonic plates. Now, which are the seven major tectonic plates? Let me write down. Give me a second. Let me just recall your thoughts and minds that previously in previous standards we have learned there are seven continents, and in this standard in 9 we will come across this word plate, and the continent and plate both are same, but it's a technical things, plate, and just you used to remember we used to call it continent. So all the seven continent is nothing but plate only. Are you getting the point? Pacific plate, North American, South American, Eurasian, African, Indo-Australian Arctic. Now, this will changed properly, and a seven continent is prepared from these plates and the continents. Got it? One of this becomes Asia. Arctic, Pacific, North American, South American, Eurasian. Did you getting the point that these seven plates, tectonic plates, are necessary to remember? They will be asked in exams, and in 1 marks also, in the 2 marks. Write down all the seven plates in 2 marks question. Got it? So it's a necessary point for us to prepare. Now we will discuss more points regarding tectonic plates. At some place, these plates are drifting away from each other, known as divergent plates. You know what? At some plates, first plate is created. A plate is created. Something is floating. Then upward force is acting against the gravitational force, and that plate emerges in a new form that becomes a tectonic plate. And after some times, due to at some places, let's take an example of here, South America, North America. As America is one continent only, but because of some reasons and some internal issues inside the Earth crust, these two plates get diverged, they become divergent plates. Okay. Now we came across a new word, that's divergent plates. Earlier it was tectonic plates. Now we have divergent plates. Got it? Similarly, at some place, some plates are converging. Means 2 and 3 plates came, near to each other and converge with each other. That's, we can say, emerge with each other. A new plate is formed, and that plate, because of that, when these two, let me explain you with a drawing. Yes. Suppose there are two plates. There are two plates. If they both get separated, they will become divergent plate. They are divergent. Now again, two divergent plate or two plates which are far from each other came near towards each other, and they converge with each other or emerge with each other. They will become like this. Are you getting? Like this. When they will come with near each other, they will not like this. They will do like this. Let me explain you again. We have this, okay, and here this. Suppose they came near. At first they will become like this, and then they will become like this. Are you getting? So this is the procedure. When two things stuck with each other, at first they will just stick, then they will get evolved, and then they will get converged. So here it comes conversion. Are you getting? This conversion is called yes, this is called converging plates. And this convert because of this conversion, mountains are created. Are you getting? Anything that yes on the road or in the countryside towards forest and roads across the any hilly area. Suppose you go and just think that how is it possible to create a mountain? It's not how it's possible. So this is the only possibilities that makes a creation that creates a mountain. Got it? And suppose a two country who were at first was like, because this is the procedure was done was performed, or it happened not performed happened 5 to 10,000 years ago. Got it? It did not happen yesterday. It happened 5,000 10,000 years ago. See, suppose there are two plates and both the plates are one plate. Both the plates are, they are do looks like a single plate, but because of some reasons and some internal or upward pressure, they get separated and becomes two divergent. Now here the oceans will flow, and they both will become a two separate country. Got it? Two separate continent or a country. Each of the country belongs, each of the plates belongs there. Got it? So this is the main basic thing of tectonic and divergent plates. Now we'll discuss about, and when they drift away, they are called landscapes and oceans. I explained here, when they will drift away, they will be, oceans are created and landscapes are created. India was a part of ancient landmass called Gondwana land. Here a new word is introduced, that's it's a Gondwana land, Gondwana land, Gondwana land. It's a Gondwana land, and India is emerged from this land. Got it? Ancient word. It may be asked in exam or not possible at all. And here present South America, yes, India was a part of this land, but today it's a part of South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. South America. Okay, so here we have South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. In ancient time, India was part of this land, and today, in present, South America, Africa, and these countries becomes part of this land. Got it? Means due to many reasons, due to the tectonic reasons and the heat inside the earth crust, our world is created. Not our world, our land is created. So because of this, India is in South Ocean, America is in North Ocean. There is a cold in America, there is a hot and humid in South Africa, India, and more humidity in African countries, and cool in Jammu Kashmir area. And because of this tectonic plates only. We have ocean in the southern part. As Jammu Kashmir, that place cannot experience of oceanic life or beach life. But in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, we have a coconut. As in Jammu Kashmir, we have apple. So, is there an advantage? If there is any disadvantage, there is an advantage also. Because on beach, it's a different kind of life, and in the full year there is a cool temperature. So there is two kind of life, and each person, the human being surviving very differently in those places. So this was this part. Now we'll discuss how the Himalayan mountain system is generated. Here we will discuss about Himalayan mountain system, how this system was generated, and it generates indigenously only. And previously we discussed recently only, not previously, recently we discussed how a mountain is created, how a mountain is generated indigenously. What happens to a land when a mountain is created. Now we will discuss Himalayan mountain system. Now you know what is Himalayan mountain system? Himalayan mountain system is a system in which lots of mountains that is belong to Himalaya only. It's not a single mountain. So many mountains that belongs to Himalaya and in a cold region they are generated. Got it? So let's first of all, over a period the Indo-Australian plate started drifting gradually towards north. The story starts from that plate. Here the name title of the plate is Indo-Australian plate. First Indo-Australian plate means plate part of India and part of Australia that emerged to came towards the north ocean, that is Jammu Kashmir and that they came towards and they used to they converge themselves in this ocean, and that converging creates Himalaya. These plates collide with the large erosion plate with about 5 crore years. See, this plate converge with Eurasian. Indo-Australian plate converges with Eurasian plate. Are you getting the point? Indo-Australian plate converges with Eurasian plate. That means before 5,000 years ago, and about 5,000 or 5 crore years, about 5 crore years then emerged and converged due to collision between Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate. Because of the collision between this, about 5 years ago it was collided, and because of this Himalaya is created. Because of this Himalaya is created. Got very simple story was first you have to prepare Indo-Australian plate, Eurasian plate, and this plate before about 500 years ago it was collided and emerged, and because of that it becomes a part of Himalayan system. Got it? So here our 30 chapter is over. But let's recall and let's remember, let's revise as the chapter. Okay, I'll give you 1 of seconds so that you will turn the pages properly and then we will discuss. We discussed about the India location. We also discussed, in the first part of this chapter, I draw a figure from north to south, east to west. North to south, east to west. I have drawn the distance and length and the width, or you can say the distance from north to south, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, here Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. Got it. There I have mentioned, and India is located on which latitude and longitude we have also discussed. And India in comparison of population and comparison of area, India in comparison of population and comparison of area, on which position it is, and about what's the importance for what's the advantage of India having an ocean which is surrounded by these three oceans like Bay of Bengal, Indian Oceans, and Arabian Oceans. So these are the oceans, and from that India gets advantage. It's lots of trade is carried out from this way only. As the land route and the airway, they becomes very costly because of the tax reason, and the tax ratio and the tax means the monetary in the tax is not too much in the ocean area. So because of these many reasons, oceans, India has their own benefits with oceans, and the business also, it was the trading was doing very well. Also, we discussed about the Suez Canal and many more things. Sea routes, we discussed about sea routes that's passing from this ocean. Got it. So here our chapter 13, India location and physiography part 1 is over. Now the next lecture we will discuss about chapter 14. Okay. Thank you very much.